Hey there! In this video, I would like to discuss why Macaly is the right choice for SEO-based website. So what I would like to show today is how Macaly works and why it's the right choice for your next marketing site. So let's create some fun site for a new startup. Let's click this one. Yeah, my startup is called Vibe Marketing. Okay, we're gonna let Macaly build this site for us. All right, Macaly built some landing page for a marketing website for a startup called Vibe Marketing. Now, let's check out why it's interesting for SEO. So, first of all, when we use this edit button here, we can hover over these elements. We can see the headline is the right H1 tag, which you would expect for the main headline of the website. So these little things are also important for SEO. If this would be, let's say, not H1 but div, it could be done in this way. You would just style the div so it looks like a headline. That's definitely not something you want for your on-page SEO. Then what's quite important is definitely the metadata. You can see them very quickly if you click on this little icon called SEO. And this is basically how the page would look like in Google or any kind of search engine like Bing. And what you can do here is edit these metadata directly here. So if you don't like something about the text, you can edit it and change it. And next thing, which is quite important, is server-side rendering. So how to know that your website is actually server-side rendered? You can try and validate it very easily. If you basically copy any text from a website, ideally open it in a new tab. Now what we can do, right-click View Page Source, and you can try to find the text in your clipboard. So if the text in your clipboard is searchable, it means it was server-side rendered. If it's not there, it's most probably JavaScript application. This means that if it's JavaScript application, you are making it much more difficult for the crawlers to see your content, because it means they need to visit your site with the whole browser like Chrome or some headless kind of browser. It needs to evaluate your JavaScript to eventually read the content. If you render your content directly to HTML, you are making it much easier and cheaper for these crawlers to get the content from your website. That's why it's much better for SEO. Yeah, so we are doing it by default. We are using Next.js, which is server-side rendered. So if you are building a website and you want to get indexed, Macaly is the right choice for you. Thanks a lot and see you next time.